Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to install Microsoft Office on your computer. First, you'll need to obtain Microsoft Office. You can do this by either purchasing a subscription or purchasing a one-time license for Office 2019. So, a subscription is like Microsoft 365. It's a subscription where you will get an unlimited support from Microsoft. Now, next is you need to sign into your Microsoft account. You don't have one, you can create it for free. This account will be associated with your Office subscription or license. Now, after signing in, please go to Services and Subscription. Here. So once you're on your services and subscription page, it will show all the subscription or services that is associated to your account. As for me, I don't have any subscriptions or services associated to my Microsoft account, but don't worry, I will still guide you on how to install your Microsoft Office. Now, once you're on the web page, please locate the installer that is associated to your Microsoft account, and then you will have an option there to install Office, and then please click install. This will download the Office installer to your computer. Now, once you're done downloading, locate the downloaded installer file and run it. And then follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation process. So you can choose to customize your installation by selecting which Office apps you want to install. If you're not sure, you can go with the default options. Office will now be installed on your computer. This may take some time, so be patient. And once the installation is complete, open any Office app. You'll be prompted to activate Office. So in order to activate your Office, you just need to simply sign in with your Microsoft account, or be sure to sign in the Microsoft account where the Microsoft Office is associated with. And you're all set. That's it. You now know how to install Microsoft Office on your computer, whether it's a subscription to Microsoft 365 or a one-time license for Office 2019. Microsoft is an essential tool for productivity, and having it installed on your computer can make your work and personal tasks much more efficient. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to install Microsoft Office on your computer. See you on my next video.